In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Digital ID in Adobe Acrobat DC. By the end, you'll know how to create a digital ID and use it to securely sign a PDF, all within Acrobat DC. We'll start by creating or registering your digital ID. Open Adobe Acrobat DC and head to Preferences. On Windows, you'll find this under the Edit menu on Mac. It's under the Acrobat menu. In the Preferences window, select Signatures from the list of categories. Look for the section called Identities and Trusted Certificates and click the More button to open the Management window. Here, choose Add ID to begin adding a new or existing ID. Select the option to create a new digital ID now. Acrobat will ask where you want to store it. You can keep it in a portable file format, known as a PKCS-12 file. Or, on Windows, you can store it in the Windows Certificate Store. The file option is great if you want to move the ID between devices. Just be sure to keep a secure backup. The Certificate Store option keeps it tied to that computer and integrates with the operating system's security. Next, enter your details as you want them to appear in your signature, like your name, email, and organization. These fields help recipients verify who signed the document. When prompted, set a strong, unique password to protect your digital ID. Never share this password and avoid using anything easy to guess. When everything looks correct, click Finish. Your digital ID is now ready to use. Let's sign a document. Open the PDF you want to sign in Acrobat DC. Go to the Tools pane and choose Certificates. Click Digitally Sign. Acrobat will ask you to draw a box where you want the signature to appear. Click and drag to place it. A dialog will open showing your available digital IDs. Select the one you just created. Review the signature appearance if needed, then click Sign. You'll be prompted for your password to authorize the signature. Enter it and Acrobat will ask you to save the document. Saving creates a copy that includes your digital signature. It's a good idea to use a clear file name so you can distinguish the signed version. After saving, your signature will appear exactly where you placed it, and Acrobat will display validation information so recipients can confirm it. It's authentic and unaltered. That's it. Thanks for watching.